Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Yosmos. Space exploration is my passion, a place that answers all your space questions. I'm a Yosmonaut, Yash Mittal. Why don't you buckle up as we launch this episode? The rocket engines. The biggest and arguably the most interesting part of the rocket is the propulsion system. The engine that powers it into the sky. As we've already seen, rockets differ from jet planes and other fuel powered vehicles that work on Earth because they have to carry their own oxygen supply. Modern space rockets have main engine powered by a liquid fuel such as liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, which does the same job as the air sucked into a car engine, that are pumped in from huge tanks. The fuel, also called the propellant, and oxygen, called the oxidizer, are stored at low temperatures and high pressures, so more can be carried in tanks of a certain size, which means the rocket can go further on the same volume of fuel. External rocket boosters that assist the main rocket engine typically burn solid fuel instead. The space shuttles were called solid rocket boosters or SRBs for exactly that reason. They work more like large intercontinental ballistic missiles, which also burn solid fuels.